Morning! Aiden is eating breakfast over there. It's Sunday. So you guys know what that means. We're gonna go see our new house and see all the new updates and show you guys how much it has progressed. You finished the pickle? I didn't want a specific breakfast this morning. He wanted like a patty sandwich and pickles with that, so that's what he's eating. Good job. Now eat your sandwich. And okay. And I, on the other hand, got a haircut yesterday, which I am loving. Let me show you. You guys remember I had all like straight, like flat haircut. There was nothing going around much in my hair, but now look at that. I got basically a layered haircut, and I said just give me all the layers, front, back, everything. I just don't want a face framing, because then that way the back has no layers, but right now I have layers back and front, as you can see. So I am absolutely in love with my hair. Basically, if I'm not even styling it or not doing anything with it, it should, you know, have some character to it, is what I wanted. So now I think it does have a lot of character to it. Love it. Anyways, I'm waiting for Mine to come down so he can take Mara for a walk, and then it's okay, baby, you can eat your breakfast. You don't have to go out. Okay? And then I'm gonna get our breakfast ready. I'm gonna ask him what he wants, and then we leave to go see the new house. I'm doing the same sandwich that I made for Aiden, because Mike said we can just eat that since we'll be not hungry until lunch then, because we have to go out. So it's loaded in the car, so let's go. We are taking our measuring tape because we want to measure some things like the windows for the blinds. Bye Marble, I love you. And we're gonna measure some of that stuff, like windows for the blinds, like I said. So let's go. Aiden, where are we going?
Beach.
Beach?
Yeah, he wants to go to a beach. He just told me that he wants to go to a beach.
Maybe for now we are gonna go see our new house.
He wants to go to a beach with
Yeah?
the sand, is what he's telling me.
Okay, we can go to the park and take you to the sand, okay? Okay?
Wait, toys.
Yeah, we will take toys. We might go in the afternoon or some other time.
How come none of my classes
Here
are?
we are. Let me show you. The out looks like this. The garage door is already put up there, so we are gonna go in now. And I got the keys. And the grass is already done until this house, and the next house is ours, and then Nitish's. Nitish's driveway is also done. So let's go inside.
Escalator.
But the flooring is covered, right? Yeah, okay, I see.
Wow.
See?
Our flooring is done.
No.
Glass doors are in. Look at that. Wow, I love it. I mean, it's covered right now, so people don't walk over it. But and then they have also put this, so we can walk on this and not on the flooring. But it looks beautiful. Cabinets are in. Let's go and check out the house. Our grass is, started putting our grass in the backyard.
So landscaping has begun.
Yeah, landscaping has begun. Look at that. Staircase railing is there, fireplace is up. It's all coming together. This is the dining space. This door is up. Looks like Nitish and Ashley are also here to check out their house. And say hi. Hello, neighbors. Yeah, Nitish and Ashley with Alani. They're here to check out their house.
They're over there.
By the way, for all the new followers, if you guys don't know, that's my brother and my sister-in-law, and then we bought our houses right next to each other, so we are neighbors.
Alright guys, so you guys saw a little glimpses of what's going on in the house updates. It's coming together. So just to give you guys a little bit of what's left, what's gonna happen next is they have done the flooring, they have done the tiling, but our countertop is not here yet. Typically it could have been done this week, but our sink that we have chosen was a little back ordered, so it's coming on Monday or Tuesday is when they're gonna do the countertops. And then next week, from tomorrow, they're gonna do the countertops. Once they do the countertops, they're gonna do the backsplash, and once they do the backsplash, they're gonna do the trim outs. Trim outs means that all of these things, the lighting fixtures, the lighting fixtures, the plumbing fixtures, all of those kind of stuff are gonna start going into places. So that's what they're gonna do this coming week, starting tomorrow. So when we come next weekend, we're gonna see a lot of different, right? It's gonna be super exciting. Also, after the trim outs are done, you would feel like your house is actually 80% done, 85% done. And because the major thing after that is giving it a final coat of paint, doing the deep cleaning, and just like doing the punch outs and inspections. So it kind of goes fast in the middle. I don't know, for those who have not built a house, at least here in US, it's a very quick process, and I'll do the video separately on the entirety of the process of building a house with a builder, starting from signing a purchase agreement to all the way to the closing. So I'll give you guys separate pieces of information in the videos, so you can collate together. But it goes really fast in the middle, and it goes really slow in the end. And the reason for that is, in the middle, when they're doing all these things, it's very well planned. Unless things are backward or anything, it's very well planned, and they know what they're doing. If you see them working, they're literally like muscle memory. They know what to do, right? But towards the end, they get really careful with all the inspections and punch outs and like little details, right? Devil is in the details. So before we do our inspections, we have our final inspections scheduled. They have city inspections, electricity, meter, all those kind of things take a little bit of time. And we have got a gas connection here. So our fireplace and our stovetop is gonna be gas. And another thing we have done is we have got a vent hood. So we don't have a microwave on top of our gas, and the hood takes everything outside the house. Because we did not want the smell to be lingering around in the house, right? Like what normally microwave does, it takes in and it throws out. The microwave with the vent, basically. So that's what the next couple of weeks gonna look like. All these trim outs are gonna be done. The light is gonna be, they're gonna start the light of the house by the end of this month, and then next month is probably just giving a final touch, paint, all of that. So it's really coming together. It's really interesting. It's super duper exciting. And like I said, I'll do video on the entire process and different information that I can give you. If you're gonna be a new homeowner like us, it may help you with the process, things to keep in mind and other stuff. So we are very, very happy with the builders here. They have done an excellent job. They send us pictures of progress every Wednesday, which is amazing, and every weekend we come and see for ourselves what's done. So that's a little bit of information for house progress update. And our closing date is January 21st, so it's not too far, especially with all the festive season in our way. And Aiden's birthday is also coming next one, so oh my god, there's just a lot going on.
Oh, hello, are you visiting me?
Welcome to my home.
No more today. Aiden is entertaining himself here, playing with the mud. So Nitish and Ashley were also here still also here looking at their house. So we went to see their house. They came to see our house. All the updates that is going on. Mine is checking out the garage. So yeah. We also met one of our neighbors here in the opposite side that is moving in February. So we said hi to them. It's gonna be a fun it's gonna be really fun moving in and meeting all the new people, because I'm very, very excited to make a new group, new friends. It's always fun. So yes, baby, mommy's thirsty. Oh, what am I supposed to do with the mud?
You eat it?
Oh no, we don't eat mud. Yeah, it's yucky. You only play with mud. You can play with it. We are going to Ruby Tuesday for lunch, quick lunch. Nitish and Ashley said they are going, so we're like, okay, fine, we'll also just go there. Otherwise, we would have gone home and figured something out. So we're going for lunch, and then evening we have plan of doing pav bhaji for dinner. So Nitish and Ashley has pav. We'll make bhaji and we'll take. And we also gonna tell Nitin and Pallavi to join us. So hopefully we will just go to their place because they have a play area, and then Aiden can be visitor. So we are not gonna go there. You want to stand? Take one.
Coke for you? Yeah. Absolutely.
And a water for her.
Kids water?
Yeah.
For the gentleman, what can I get for you?
I'll do a Coke as well.
Coke as well?
Coke.
Coke as well?
Water for him and Coke for me.
Kids water and a Coke for you?
This is
Yes.
a Coke-friendly table.
Say that again?
This is a Coke-friendly table.
Coke-friendly table. I used to have a grandfather that would walk out if any restaurant served Coke, he would only drink Pepsi. So he'd walk out of several restaurants.
Oh man.
Let me go ahead and grab those drinks. I'll be right back for you.
We're also ready with the order whenever you're back.
All right, I'll be right back.
Okay. Thank you.
My pleasure. I got another one over. All right,
How about
that gentleman on the inside? What can I get for
I'm
you?
gonna have an Impossible Burger.
Impossible burger.
Yeah.
Would you like cheese on there?
Yes.
You got it. American cheddar, Swiss, or provolone?
Provolone.
Yeah.
Provolone. Provolone. And then
French
that has
fries.
French fries. You got it. The lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, okay? Pay for that.
For him, can I get the marinara pasta from the kids menu? And for his beverage, can I do fruit punch?
Fruit punch.
And can I add on a salad for him? Yeah.
And for you, ma'am, what can I get?
Can I get the hickory bourbon salmon?
Hickory salmon.
Yeah.
Because of rice pilaf and zucchini, is that okay for
Yes.
you? Rice and zucchini.
Yeah, perfect.
Anything else I can do for you, folks?
That should be all.
All right, I'll put that right in.
And we can just go and get the salad, right?
Absolutely. Can I get those menus out of your way?
Yes, please. Thank you.
So we got the salad. Did you try?
You want pasta? This is my first time Ruby Tuesday.
No time.
Mind you.
Mine
Okay.
is first time.
And now we live 5 minutes away from the
Yeah, the menu is open decent.
We can come on Tuesday lunches. Sometimes kids will eat free. They are working, so people will just come eat and go.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So the other day he called me and we were talking, and then he was telling me I'm just so tired, I want break
There we are.
from Alani. And just me and Ashley, just me and Ashley go away somewhere.
We both.
That's what.
And then she offered. She's like, I'll take
So
it.
I said, okay, fine, drop Alani at our place and go. And then where should I go? Then I said, don't go somewhere where you have to drive so much. Go close by so it can be a vacation that you're not driving. And then I said, if you cannot figure it, just check in at the Marriott in Durham hotel and stay there. We can drop you also, so you won't even have to worry about driving.
I'd rather stay at the Marriott and Raleigh.
Yeah, out
That's
there.
better.
Second round of salad because it's so fresh and so good.
Unfortunately, that would be the $5.99.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely.
My meal is here. This is the meal.
I got a ketchup for that gentleman over here for you. Pardon my reach. And then I have that kid's tomato basil here for you.
Yes.
Now be careful, this plate is a little bit on the warm side. Just test it before you grab it. I've lost feeling a while ago, so let me set that down for you. Pardon my reach there.
Thank you.
My pleasure. And is there any mayo, mustard, ketchup, anything?
Let me try myself.
I don't think he's gonna eat that.
This? What?
He's gonna eat hamburger and fries.
No worries, I'll
Just
pack it.
Pack it up and then at
Dinner.
at home we can do like onions and stuff in there.
I feel
Okay,
very
bro,
good.
what do you say?
You want palm cheese with this? On our way home, food was delicious. This was our first meal in our new neighborhood. So
Turn right.
that is that, and then we're gonna go home, and then I'm gonna go for pedicure because my feet is in such a bad condition right now. Like when I sleep in the night, I can hear I can hear my feet and blanket touching each other. So that means you know how it, like the sound, like it's cracked. Yeah, it's like cracked. It's not, I don't know, it's very dry basically. So I'm gonna go and get it fixed today.
Use the right lane to take a
Because
slight
next
right
week
turn
Mayang is going to
onto
Pittsburgh,
I-4
so getting all these self-care done before he goes.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase.
I'm at the salon, it's called Paris Nail Bar, and then Mayang came here before and he told me that this is really good, so this is my first time here. I don't go to the one I go regularly, but this is going to be my new regular, I guess. Also got some hot coffee. Delicious. I think it's complimentary, so I think all complimentary things are delicious. Use this champagne sparkling wine to rinse my leg, and then now I'm getting the steamer here. Yeah, so we are done with dinner. We came back home. You guys know we took pav bhaji, so yeah, had a very good day, a productive day. We saw a lot of house update. I hope you guys enjoyed the house updates, and we're gonna go sleep. Tomorrow is Monday. I hope you guys have a great week.
Reindeer, 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 reindeer.
We are in a full Christmas mood already.
Yeah.
So we are all in jingles and
He
reindeer.
keeps asking about Elfie, Santa Claus. Alright, can you say night night everybody? Bye bye. I'll see you in my next time. It's raining?
Yes.
Okay.
In the house.
Alrighty, we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Until then,
Bye bye.
bye bye.